Right, here we are, Queen Anne's Battery, June 2022. It's early June, we've got some sunshine, so we're just launching the Camarat 6.5 WA here from Seatron. Hand over to the customer, and hopefully if the wind drops off a bit later on this afternoon, we'll be flying the drone up as well. This is the first opportunity in a while to get the drone up, mainly because we've been so busy, haven't had a chance to do any drone footage. But it's a good chance to see the new Series 3 6.5 WA is the one with the sun deck and double berth down below. And this one's particularly nice because it's got a blue hull and a white engine, which offsets the blue very nicely on the back. Right, here we are on board. So you can see this lovely white Yamaha 150 engine. It's got this pearl essence kind of reflective paint job on it. It is extra to buy the white engine, but it does look really nice, like I say, with this blue hull. And this boat's got teak all the way throughout it, which helps break up the white non-slip, and it looks fabulous. Here we've got the larger seats. These are bolster seats, so you've got a nice leaning position here, and they're an upgrade again on just the standard seating. Garmin 7.5 Echo Map chart plotter has built-in maps, this one, and a transducer on the transom for underwater profiling. And this has got the touchscreen Yamaha fly-by-wire controls. As you'll note here, there's no key start, it's a fob and a button, so it's what they call their keyless start. And these are all fly-by-wire controls here, so no mechanical cables. 2 drinks holders, you've got all your switches up here, and hydraulic steering, and it's a nice little embossed steering wheel here from Jeanneau. Most of the cushions are still here down below, but these are your cushions around the back and on the sun pad up the front, and there's room for a portaloo in here as well. There's an infill to make this into a double berth, otherwise you've got 2 singles each side. And up on the front here, got this nice easy access round the side of the console, easy to step up. These are the clips for holding the sun pad on the bow, and then here you've got electric anchor windlass, and there's the remote control there. And it deploys away from the bow, the swivel mechanism here on the front of the bow roller. There's your navigation lights, you've got your cleats there, 2 drinks holders for when you're sunbathing up here. And then coming back down through here, got your bathing platforms either side, and these drop down seats here, and one on the other side, and they have backrests as well, as you'll see in the photographs later on. And this makes a nice little seating area out here, and these seats here can swivel around the cockpit table here, making a lovely entertaining area. There's storage down in here underneath this lazarette, and then under here we've got more storage for wakeboards and ski ropes and things like that. There's your trip switch, your anchor windlass, there's the battery, and there's the hose pipe for the deck shower at the back. It's an optional extra having the shower, but the freshwater system's quite handy if you're going to be swimming off the back of the boat. That's where the fresh water goes in there. So the isolating switch is in here, and it's a simple turn. That's now on, and that's off. We'll turn it on, drop the engine down, and then it's just power on. You have to put the kill cord in, press the start button, and there she is. Very quiet engine, obviously it'd be quiet if we didn't have the noise of the hoist next door. There you can see the telltale coming off the back. We've got a ski mast here with a hook for raising the point that the skier pulls from behind the boat, so quite handy if you're doing wakeboarding and doing tricks and things like that. Look from the side so you can see the profile with that blue hull. nice and easy to step onto at the back here. You've got this nice rail to hold on if you're coming out the water as well. And then the cockpit shower's there, just wash yourself down. And you can step across the back section here, so if you want to get over here, it's nice and easy to walk across the back of the boat. If you're berthed on the starboard side, you can easily access the gate here. Lifts up, locks there to keep the children in. Right, there we go.